was drowning quiet in a room full of smiles, playing brave for the crowd, but I was breaking inside. Kept my pain in my pocket right next to my phone. Answered, I'm okay, though I felt so alone. Every how are you was a silent scream, and every night I begged God to wake me from that dream. People saw strength, but they never saw the ache. They didn't see the pills or the tears or the faith I'd fake. I was fighting for air under holy disguise, but somehow I kept rising between my cries.